Our electric grid is evolving into a smart, complex system. There are new types of energy generation, transmission methods, and distribution networks. This increased complexity requires advanced technologies like artificial intelligence or AI to manage it optimally. AI refers to computer systems that can exhibit human-like intelligence and learning abilities. The main techniques of AI are machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning detects patterns in data. Deep learning uses neural networks to analyze different forms of data. Grid operators are using AI to forecast future energy supply and demand. AI analyzes data from sensors for real-time monitoring. It detects anomalies and predicts maintenance needs. It calculates dynamic pricing based on changing conditions. For renewable energy sources like solar and wind, AI predicts their intermittent generation levels. It quickly detects any faults or underperformance. For energy transmission, AI finds optimal routes to minimize losses. It shifts flexible loads like electric vehicles to smooth out demand peaks and troughs. AI enables decentralized peer-to-peer energy trading between local producers and consumers. Finally, AI improves grid security through rapid threat detection. It uses blockchain technology to validate green energy sources. In summary, AI is essential to handle the complexity of smart grids. It ensures efficiency, stability, and security across all the components. AI is like a conductor, orchestrating harmonious operations in this new energy ecosystem. Our electric grid is evolving into a smart, complex system.